Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things electric vehicles. In this video, I'm going to tell you why the Tesla Model 3 refresh could be a game changer for the EV market and how it could make electric cars more affordable for everyone. The Tesla Model 3 is one of the most popular and best-selling electric cars in the world. It has a sleek design, a high-tech interior, and a long range. But it's not exactly cheap. The base model starts at close to $39,000. According to some reports from China, where Tesla has a factory, the Model 3 is getting a refresh that could lower its price significantly. Some local sources estimate that the new Model 3 could cost as low as $27,000, which would make it more competitive with gas cars and other electric cars. How is Tesla going to achieve this? Well, there are a few possible ways. One is by streamlining features and options, such as simplifying the battery pack or reducing the number of sensors and cameras. Another is by renegotiating with suppliers, such as using cheaper materials or getting better deals on parts. And a third is by improving the production efficiency and scale, such as using more automation or increasing the output. Whatever the method, Tesla is clearly aiming to make electric cars more accessible and affordable for the mass market. This is in line with its mission to accelerate the transition to sustainable energy and its vision to produce a $25,000 car in the future. But Tesla is not the only one who is working on making electric cars cheaper. Other car makers, both new and old, are also trying to offer more affordable options for EV buyers. For example, the Chevy Bolt, which is one of the cheapest electric cars available right now, has recently lowered its price by $5,000 to $31,995. And there are also upcoming models from brands like Hyundai, Kia, Nissan, Volkswagen, and Ford that are expected to be priced below $40,000. Of course, price is not the only factor that affects the adoption of electric cars. There are also other challenges, such as charging infrastructure, battery technology, consumer awareness, and government policies. But price is definitely one of the most important ones, especially for people who are on a tight budget or who are not yet convinced by the benefits of electric cars. That's why the Tesla Model 3 refresh could be a game changer for the EV market. It could set a new standard for electric car pricing and performance and force other car makers to follow suit. It could also attract more customers who are looking for a high-quality and low-cost electric car and make them switch from gas cars. So what do you think? Are you excited about the Tesla Model 3 refresh? Do you think it will make electric cars more affordable for everyone? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.